Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is brought to you by Walnut Hair from Amazon. So thank you so much, Walnut Hair, for sending over this new wig. So this one is super exciting. I have never tried a box braided wig before. I've actually always been a little scared of them. I feel like I'm just nervous. I don't know. I've been too scared to try one. But I had the opportunity today, so I'm very, very excited. So this is Walnut Hair's pre-plucked, glueless, pre-bleached goddess knotless braided wig with curly ends, and this is in 22 inches. Right off the bat, I love this wig. It looks so natural to me. The boxes are nice and clean. The braids are really beautiful and nice and tight. The curly hair has a soft, great texture, and the baby hairs are not too crazy and overwhelming. The way the braided wig is bleached is literally to perfection, and there's enough combs in it for it to stay in place, as well as the elastic strap, as well as the adjustable straps. So I was really impressed with how well this wig was made straight off the bat. Because all the things that scared me about braided wigs, this one just like knocked it out the park. This is my braid pattern. I actually have some crochets to do after this, so my hair is braided down for crochets, but I was hopeful that it would work out for this install, and it did. So the wig came with a nice brown, warm brown wig cap, so I was happy for that. I went ahead and brushed my hair back, put a little hairspray on my edges so that the wig cap could kind of stick and my hair would stay back. Then I went ahead and applied the wig cap. So I was so curious to see how this wig looked. I literally popped it on even before the stocking cap or my foundation was ready. I was just pressed to see what this would look like. And immediately I was like, okay, this is a look. This can work. What was I so afraid of? It just looks good. I was like, wow, this actually looks so good. So I was pleasantly surprised and very happy. So now I could go ahead and do my install and not be scared. So I went ahead and grabbed my Ebin adhesive. I will link that down below. I got that from Amazon. And I grabbed an elastic band just to let the adhesive kind of dry down and the wig cap to stick to my head. Then I went ahead and cut the excess cap away, added a little more of that adhesive to lay the cap down again. Then I started laying the wig. So it's good to use lace tint spray, but it's also good, I found that it's good for me to use my contour powder. So it's the darkest powder I use on my makeup to just do my contour. I use that around the edge of my wig, and that really helps it to blend into my skin tone. It's actually darker than my actual skin tone, but I think that's why it works so well, because it kind of takes that ashiness away. So I applied my contour powder all along the edge of the wig, and then I went ahead and used some more of the adhesive. Also, for a more natural baby hair look, I went ahead and plucked some of the baby hairs out. I should have done a little bit more on my sideburn, but I was getting lazy, and then I went ahead and trimmed my baby hairs as well, and then laid it down with some more adhesive. So I was really happy with how that came out. So now it's time to release my ear. My head is, I wouldn't say it's small, but it's a little bit smaller than normal. So my head is not small, but it's a little bit smaller than like average. So what I had to end up doing was fold a part of the ear tab away, because I didn't want to cut it and mess up the braid that was right there. So I ended up just putting a little tuck and fold it under, and then just add a little more adhesive to make it lay down. If your head is a little bit larger than mine, like just a true average head size, I think you'll be fine with this wig. Also, a word to the wise, don't be like me. Cut the back of the lace off before you put it on. I'm gonna have to ask my husband or my daughter to like cut it in the back, because I couldn't see it and I didn't want to cut the wig. So definitely cut the back of the lace off before you apply the wig. So this part is optional. Baby hairs, I know some people don't want them. You can literally just cut them off. If you do want the baby hairs though, this is just a real quick speed through tutorial of how I did mine. So I did a very neutral, natural makeup look today. I just did like a rust color orangey lip to match my dress. And this is the finished look. I am so pleased with this wig. I think it looks amazing, especially for any of the girlies out here who don't like to sit for box braids. It takes a long time. And when you take them out, the style is over. This wig makes it so you can wear box braids one day, wear your own hair the next, and pull this wig out again. I feel like this wig will last forever. This is not the type of wig that, you know, is gonna get old and get worn out. Like, I feel like you could wear this wig for years and it will always look good and fresh. It's human hair, so you can wash it. you know, the curly ends, the human hair at the ends is so beautiful. I think this wig is well worth the money. It's $300. I know that's a little steep, but I think it's well worth it. This wig will serve you for a very, very long time. So thank you so much, Walnut Hair. You can check this wig out on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Please subscribe. It's free and it helps me out. Share the video, share it with a friend, share it with a box braid lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.